Ever had an idea for an electronic device and wondered how to turn it into something real? That's where prototype PCB assembly comes in. So what exactly is prototype PCB assembly? Prototype PCB assembly is a process that quickly transforms circuit designs into small batch, high-precision circuit boards with component assembly, commonly used for prototype validation and functional testing. And it's an essential step before going into mass production. Now, let me walk you through the prototype PCB assembly process. First, you'll just need to share your design files, usually Gerber files, a BOM, and schematics. Next, we'll take care of the rest, from sourcing components and fabricating the PCB to assembling everything using SMT through hole or mix technologies. And finally, we'll perform thorough inspection and testing to make sure everything works just the way you designed it. Why is prototyping so important? Because it helps you spot design issues, test performance, and improve before mass production. It's also great for showing your idea to investors or early users. Whether it's a smart device, IoT project, or custom hardware, this is your first real step. We offer full turnkey PCB assembly services from design review to delivery. Your idea deserves more than just a drawing on paper. Let's bring it to life together.